and welcome to another video in the 12 days of Christmas. I think this might be my second last video. It's definitely the last video that I'm filming for this series. I decided to do a sparkly red Christmas makeup look. I did not talk through this application. I'm just gonna play music and do my makeup in front of you guys. I don't know why I didn't decide to talk today. Thank you as always for supporting me and for following along with the 12 days of Christmas this year. I really appreciate it, and I hope you got to spend some good times with your loved ones this year. It's been so much fun editing and posting for you guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this series. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos. See you in my next one, and I hope you guys enjoy the makeup look.